this time of the year, we are all nicer, we are all trying to make people happy, and therefore for today I've got for you a 10-minute cardio that won't need any jumping because we love our neighbors, and we don't need any equipment because we love ourselves. So we just want to do things because we love it and we want to have fun, especially this time of the year. So are you ready to not jump and no equip but still cardio it up with me? Good, let's do it together. Or you want more fun? Perfect, because I've got a fun quiz for you to find out what ballet character you are in this world. Do you want to find out? Do you want to tell me as well? Perfect. Once you've done the quiz, I want you to write me in a comment what ballet character you got. Okay? The quiz is down in the description box below. Okay, you've done the quiz? Let's go back into dancing. Here we go. We're not going to be jumping, but we are going to be getting our hearts pumped up. So from here, what I want you to do straight away so we get warmed up, we're going to go into a little jazz tendu arabesque Fred Astaire thing, yeah? And we're going to go side to side. Very good. And we're going back. Good. Yeah. As much as you can, coming forward. Very nice. And back. Nice, going forward again. Really use those shoulders. Just double shoulders. Yes, come forward. And breathe out. Good, from here we go. Lift and down and lift and change and lift and down and lift and change. Lift, down, lift, change, lift, down, going backwards, lift and down and lift and change and lift and down and lift and change, lift, down, lift, change, lift, down. Very good. From here we go step, 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 down. Good. Step, step, down. Nice. Step, step, down. Gorgeous. Again. Step, step, down. Good. I said I wasn't going to make you jump, but we can move around. Step, step, down. Good. Step, step, down. Step, step, down. Coming to the center. Good. Second position. From here we're going la and it with the pop of the heel. Pop and down and pop and down. Good. Keep on alternating. And good. And out. From here. Good. Oh yeah. Give me the cheeky smile. So we push the knee at the back and shoulders forward. Good. Yeah. Out. Good. Again. Out. Really shoulders down, but really moving the upper body. Good. And out. Out. Is that jazzy Christmas kind of feeling I've got today? From here, back into first because we're going to go out here again and go step, 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 step. Good. Good. Give me the flick of the head. Oh yeah. We're really going into Christmas magic today. Good. Good. And again. And back to first we go. Here. We're not jumping, we're only changing and pointing foot. Good. The spring point without jumping. Very nice. As you can see, the arms go by themselves. We go up, 2, 3, 4, and again down. Yeah. And point that foot. Really feel that foot pointed. Nice. Very good. Last time. Because then we are going to place the leg at the back. From here we're going Arms out here. We're going to try to tap and place it back down. Oh yeah, not too high. Yeah, so be smart. Really good. Good. Few more. Woo. And point. And smile. Last time. Change. Prepare. You go. Tap. And tap. And tap. And tap. Very nice. Tap. 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 Last one. Change. Good. Arms. Very good. Go tap. And tap. And tap. With intensity. Go. And go. And go. Smile. Down. Change. Shaky. Hands. Go and out. And out. And smile. Be Christmassy. Yes. Out. 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 Last one. Back into the center. Ready to step and jazz it forward like at the beginning. Good. Out. In. Out. And out. Going back. Out. 2, 3, 4. Coming forward. Oh yes. Kind of rockette Christmas special. I know. I feel like that. 2. Go forward with arm. 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 Arm going back. Very good. Smile. Good. Coming forward. Forward. Arm. Up. Change. Forward. And change. And change. Going back. 1. Wing. And change. And change. And change. For the stair, ready to go. Oh yeah. Step, step out. Get in faster. Oh yeah, I know. You started nice and gentle, but I've got to get you sweating a little bit. I know. Gorgeous. Breathe. Breathe. Come back to center. Arms going shimmy, 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 shimmy. Breathe. Find a position. Well done. I knew you had a little bit more in you, so I'm inviting you right now to do this leg exercise right here. Don't worry, it's still very Christmassy, still in the mood.